Welcome to the third video of the, what did I just step on? Welcome to the third video of this New Hampshire little series here. Today we're going to be going up to Tuckerman's Ravine on Mount Washington, which is about halfway up Mount Washington. So if we want, we could summit Mount Washington, but Tuckerman's Ravine by itself is really, really cool. It's about 2.5 miles from here to the ravine, and then it's another 4 to Washington. So we might summit it, we might not. But either way, it's cool cinematics, and enjoy! That is snow. There's definitely snow in August.